Hello my friends, I hope you are having a wonderful day, night, afternoon, wherever you are, wherever this video and my voice finds you. Let's talk about Truth Social Digital World acquisition, all connected together here. This is the platform where Trump and many around his circle will be talking, but we're talking about the financial aspect of the stock. Whether you are for Trump, against Trump, it's not really what I'm even talking about here. I'm talking about us as investors looking to make some money going into 2024 and maybe even seeing a swing up on this stock at the end of this year, 2023. So let's talk about that. Right now, obviously, to break the borders down of what we're talking about here and what we need, things that are going to really help this stock and this company is that, we're seeing if Trump can get the GOP nomination to find himself in a rematch against Biden. But still, we have DeSantis in that mix too, so we really don't know what's going to happen, and obviously there's going to be other people running in the mix too, but let's be honest here, more than likely it's going to be a Biden, Trump, DeSantis race here. Twitter obviously is now run by Elon and his gang, and Trump's account has been reinstated, and Trump has said that he will be using Twitter here in the future, especially when he's going to start running here. So right now, Digital World acquisition is sitting right under a $16 bid price. And, the past 6 months have been up and down. And even, months ago, I don't know, maybe, I guess it was like this time last year, almost, a little further ahead here, where I was telling people hey, listen, this $70, $60, $50 range that we're looking at right now, I probably most likely, to be safe, would not buy in right there. And people were eating me alive because they were thinking this was going to go to 150, 200. And hey, there was possibilities that it could hit that, but the possibility of it staying at a high range like that through the whole year to this next election were highly unlikely, and that's what we're seeing right now. But the question that stands right now is, where are we going to see this go? Is it going to keep falling here? But at the end of the year, especially getting closer to election races here, and seeing what Trump is actually going to do here, is social media going to do what it did a year ago and run like crazy? I'm going to be perfectly honest, not even talking about money with what the company is actually making on a bread and butter scale here with money, physical, actual money from ads and revenue, all that kind of stuff, selling merchandise, sponsors. I think the FOMO of the whole situation is going to be people don't want to miss out. And I really think we could see a massive upscale in this stock on a general basis of people are not wanting to miss out. So things to look for here just as investors. If Trump gets the golden ticket to run again and go for it, which, it might happen here, more than likely will, do not be surprised to see Truth Social Digital World acquisition here really spike up. DWAC here, ticker for this one. I really think we need to be careful about how we're judging what's going to happen here. I know there's a lot of people that are just they don't like Trump and they don't want to support it. I'm not even saying that. I'm saying, as someone who's set aside politics and all that, look for what you can make money in the stock market. Look for swings here. Look for growth, things that are going to happen here and build up. And this is a perfect situation going into the end of the year, especially 2024 here. Trump obviously is going to be using Truth Social as his main weapon, and probably Twitter as well. So Twitter stock, obviously will probably be going crazy as well. We could possibly see Truth Social take some more damage here, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot more things coming, negative articles coming out about Trump here, where they could possibly hurt Truth Social, and Truth Social is going through some changes right now with its board and things like that. So it's, there's some drama around it still, but there's been drama around it from day one, but it's still holding a pretty good middle ground stock price right now, when a lot of analysts were saying this was going to go to $1, $2 range. So friends, I'm really predicting here, and I think a lot of you might agree that this is going to be the number one drama stock going this year, especially next year. And whoever Trump supports is going to be on this app as well. I mean, let's be honest, Trump is going to use it for whatever he can. So if this were to fall to an $8, $10 range, which I think that's very possible, the stock has been close to doing that before, and if you look at the yearly chart for it, it kind of seems like it's trailing that way, now sitting at this $15 mark. I don't think $8 is too crazy until, you know, we hear more about election stuff and things get up and rolling. I think the stock market's about to take another nosedive here going into the summer. But then next year, I think that's when we could possibly see our bull market come back here with crypto and everything just kind of taking off, with people buying so cheap right now and having election take place, rates hopefully coming down, inflation coming down, and things kind of getting back on track here, the right road. So friends, I hope, you know, that made sense what we're talking about here. Obviously, you know, I know it sounds crazy, but I really think this is something we need to watch. Not even talking about if you support Truth Social or not. I'm just talking about on a stock investing. I'm just talking about on an investor's level in general. You know, this is something that we need to watch, and it may not even be something that you want to let people that you know that you're putting money into, but if you're looking for something that could possibly have huge turnover, this is the thing to watch. And like I said, I still think it might take some damage here going into, you know, the summer, but be on the lookout for an $8 to $10 range with this, maybe even lower than that, who knows. But towards the end of the year, we could see a swing up with it. Friends, let me know what you think here with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition stock that supports Truth Social. Might be a hidden gem for the new year here. Friends, talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.